Video we are going to learn how we can convert any page into the Gutenberg using CloneWebX. This amazing AI tool can easily convert your existing pages within just a single touch into Gutenberg pages or any other page builder. You can see as this support as well Webflow, Elementor, Bricks, and as well as the Gutenberg. So now you can see the Gutenberg is most popular and free editor that you can use inside of WordPress. So in this video you will learn how you can convert or any design into Gutenberg page builder inside of WordPress. So let me get started. At the very first step, you need to go here softlight.io, and here you can see there is an option CloneWebX. You just need to click here, check it out. In the CloneWebX, you can see there are all the features are listed. You can read that carefully. So to making video shorter, we quickly go on the sign up process. So here is the button. You can just click on buy now, and here is an option. You can just try it for free. You will see the Gutenberg option in the free version. You can just do the 2 sites with 10 exports per month. So you can just try it free, and then you can upgrade your plan by $10 per month or $100 by and $20 per year depending upon your requirements. Okay, you just need to click here on the try now. Here you can just go with your Google account, or if you can just click on sign up, enter your detail and just create an account here. After creating an account, you will simply redirect it to this dashboards clonewebex.supply.io/projects. So you will be redirected here in the projects dashboard. Here you can just create your project. After sign up and entering into the dashboard, you just need to install the CloneWebX Chrome extension. This extension link is also provided into the description. You can just simply install this extension into Chrome browser. You just need to click here, add to Chrome, click on add extension. You can see the extension is already added into the Chrome. Okay, you can see, but this is not listed here. So to pin this extension, you just need to click here on this icon and just click here. So you can see this is pinned on the top. Okay, now simply go on the page that you want to clone. For example, this page I want to clone into the WordPress Gutenberg builder. Okay, so I will simply copy the link of this website or the page and go back into CloneWebX dashboard, and here you just need to click on add new project, and here you just need to simply enter the URL of this project and the name of this project. For example, I will name it by cloning into Gutenberg. I will just name it. You can name it anything. Okay, just click on create project. So simply one project has been created. You can see there is also have provided the instruction. You just need to click here to install the extension into your Chrome browser. Simply go on the page and click on the extension. You can see this is the extension that is asking for the selection of the project. Before the selection, you just need to verify that you have loaded the complete page into your browser. You can see this is completely loaded. So you just need to keep in mind, you just need to scroll the page all the way if you want to completely clone this page into your Gutenberg. Okay, so just click on this extension and select the project. For example, this is the cloning into Gutenberg, and I just click on add page. After a few seconds, you will see this will redirect you to a new URL where you can easily clone or copy the sections. You can see there is one requirement, that is click here to download and install the software.io integration version plugin. So every time you need to install the latest plugin, so here is the plugin link directly. You just need to click here and the plugin will be downloaded. You can see the plugin has been downloaded. I will just go back into the dashboard, click on plugins, click on add new, click on upload the plugin, and just drag and drop the plugin that we have downloaded just now. the plugin has been uploaded, and just click on activate. Now we go into our WordPress dashboard, and here we just need to click here to add a new page. For example, we are going to create a new page for this. I just name it home page, or anything that anything that you need to do. Just click on publish. So this will be an empty page. If you preview this, I just want to show you as the preview that this is an empty page. Okay, you can see this is an empty page. So here you can see I wanna clone the sections of the pages into this page. Okay, so here I just scroll here, and here on the section that I wanna copy, I just click here and click on the section. For example, section home 1 is selected here, and here you just need to select the Gutenberg from these options. Okay, so I just selected the Gutenberg and just click on export. This export has been copied into the clipboard. You just go back, and here just press the Ctrl+V into your this empty page. You can see this is simply imported. So if you can see, the image has not been arrived, so you just need to wait a few seconds. It will load the image inside. You can see within few seconds the image has been loaded. You just need to wait a bit. Okay, so here I just go into the div style, for example this style, and I will just see here in the background this is the image. So I will just change the position. It should be center, and the size should be cover. So this is looking very nice as our the page is looking like. For example, here you can see this one. Okay, now you go back into your page, and if you wanna see the tablet view, okay, and the mobile view, you can see this is amazingly responsive. So if you wanna change the text by your text, so you can also change by your text here. You can see this is the text that you want, can easily change. Here is the description. You can say change here. You can just change the button titles and everything into that. Now we wanna go here on the next section of the page, which is this one. I just click here, click on this section, and again just click on export. So this will also be copied into the clipboard. Just go back into this and just Ctrl+V from your keyboard. So you can see this is also exported successfully into our WordPress page. So sometime if you do not get the background of the sections, you can just go into your Gutenberg style option. For example, this is the div. In the div you just need to click on styling, and here is the, for example, background. In the background you can just change your for example background. Here you can see this is the change. Okay, so this is how you can fix some issues if you see into the migration. So next section, we go in the next section. For example, this is the next section, and I just wanna copy. I don't wanna copy this one. I just wanna copy these two things. Okay, here I just copy these things. Okay, here I just export here, copied, and here I just click on next section and paste here. You can see this is pasted. So for example, here is the top margin and padding, so we can also add some more paddings here into our div. For example, top padding should be 50, bottom should be 50, or the margin 30 and bottom 30. Okay, after saving that, it will add the margins and paddings here. Now we go here, as the next section is, for example, this one. I just click here on the section, for example here, and just click here on this section, just click on export and go back into the page. Again I have pasted here this section also. You can see this is the title. You can easily do that, the editing, and these are the images. For example, this image, I think the height is lower, so I just make it 200 or 170. And here on this image you just need to increase the height, for example 193. So this is looking nice, and just click on save. And if you preview our page into the browser, you can see this is amazing all the way. You can see copying all the sections properly. Okay, so this is how you can easily import or clone the sections from any page into your WordPress Gutenberg easily, very easily. Now lastly, I wanna clone this section, and then we move to our closing. Okay, and just click on click on here and click on this, and just select over here and just click on export. And you can see this is copied into the dashboard, clipboard. And here I just go down and paste here this section here, Control+V from your keyboard. So you can see this image is downloaded, but the background is also again not added. Now I got to go into the styles, and in the styles I just make the background. Here is the background. Okay, I have added the background here, and just click on save. If you preview the page, you can see this is amazingly cloned every section. So there are some things you need to modify because you are directly cloning, and this is an amazing page that I have cloned some of the sections from the page. So this is how you can clone the some of the sections or entire page from any website into the WordPress and into the Gutenberg page builder. Now another amazing thing of the Gutenberg is you can reuse these sections of the Gutenberg into any page builder. For example, you have created the sections into the Gutenberg and you want to use these into the Elementor or any other page builder. So you can also save these sections and use them into the Elementor or any other page builder. To use reusable feature, we just need to go here into Softline and click on block templates. And here you can see there is no any block template that we can use. Okay, you just need to click here, add a new post, and here you can just name it any name you can use. I say reusable. Here in this area you just need to go on the section, any section that you wanna reuse. For example, this section I wanna reuse. I will just click here and check that is in Gutenberg and just click on export. Now this is copied into the clipboard, and here I just click and Control+V. So this section is added here as the image is not appearing here. So I just go into the style and change the background image with our image. Okay, so this image is not applied, so I just change the image. Now I apply some settings here, position, center, and size should be cover. You can see this is now, and now I have added the reusable block. I click on publish, so this reusable block will be published. So I will go back into our dashboard and see it is saved. You can see this is saved, and this is the shortcut that we can use for reusing into any other page builder, for example Elementor or any other page builder. So here is another page that I have created, so I just click on edit with Elementor. Here you can see this is an empty page. Here I will search for shortcode, and I just drag and drop this shortcode widget from this. Okay, now you can see this is the shortcode area where you can add the shortcode. So here we will go into the softline and click on block templates. So all the saved templates will be here. So here I just copy this shortcode and go back into our editor and paste this shortcode here and click on apply. It will take few seconds to apply the style. There I can say this is just how looking not very nice because this is a shortcut. But if you click on preview, and you will see the preview of this section is looking good. It means on the front end this is looking very nice. So if you wanna make changes on this area, you can just go back into your blocks here, and if you click here and edit this block, and when you will change or make any change in this block, this will be automatically applied on our reusable block. For example, this is the reusable block heading, so I just change it to this is heading and just save it. And here you can see, because we have reused it into here, so I just click here again to refresh the browser, and you can see this is the heading as changed from the blocks area. So this is how you can use this into any other page builder, just like Elementor. Now we talk about the pricing of this AI tool. You can see the $10 package will you get $10 per month, and you can do the 30 size in this package. This is very amazing. So this is the 20% discount for the other products, and 30 size per month, and fully responsive premium support, and 30 days refund guaranteed. Okay, so if this tool does not work for you, you can just get your refund. Okay, here you can see the 400 websites, $120 per year, and these are the features that is providing by this. And this is the amazing package, top of the line. If you have multiple websites in your if you are a developer, so this amazing package is for you. So if you want to upgrade and you can use the PK skills my coupon code, then you will get 10% discount. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much.